Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Dodge Durango into neutral, especially when the engine is off or the battery is dead. This is the only way to manually shift the vehicle. First, make sure your parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, you'll need to find a small access cover located near the gear selector on your center console. This cover hides the manual shift-release mechanism. Once you've located the access cover, gently use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to carefully pry it open. Be gentle to avoid scratching the console. Beneath this cover, you will discover a small lever or a button. This component is specifically designed to manually override the electronic shifter, allowing you to disengage the park lock. With the cover removed and the release mechanism exposed, press and hold the lever or button firmly. You'll need to keep it depressed throughout this step. While continuously holding the release, use your other hand to move the gear selector from the park position directly into neutral. You should feel the shifter move freely once the release is activated. After successfully shifting into neutral, it is crucial to re-engage the parking brake immediately if you haven't already. Remember, a vehicle in neutral can roll freely, so never leave it unattended, particularly on any kind of incline. This manual override is primarily for situations like towing or moving the vehicle when there is no power. Always prioritize safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.